In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this new boomerang paper airplane I designed, and it is called Electric Eagle. In order to make this plane, you need an A4 size paper. First, fold this edge to this edge. Open the paper. Now, we're going to fold this edge to this crease. And we're going to repeat on the other side. Now we're going to fold this edge to this crease or fold. And then do it on the other side. Now we're going to fold this point to this point where this crease right over here touches this edge. I'm going to mark it out with a pencil so you can see over here. Now we're going to open it, and we have this point right over here where these two corners touch over here, meet. We're just going to fold this corner down to that point. Now we're just going to fold it down like this. Now we're going to fold the paper in half. Now the wing crease will start from this point and will end right over here, so this edge is going to touch this point right over here. Like this. And flip the paper over and repeat on the other side. Okay, now you can just open it up and bend the edges a little bit and bend the wings up a little bit so it makes the letter Y. Actually bend it up a lot so it will boomerang better. So you need a lot of practice to throw this plane. The first time you will throw this plane may not work for you, but after a lot of practice and adjusting, this plane, if you throw it like this, like sideways, if you throw it sideways, it will curve and boomerang back to you, come back to you, and you can catch it. Like this, you need to throw it sideways, not like this or not like this, not a little bit tilted. You need to have your wings bended up a lot like this, and you need to throw it sideways and it will come back to you. So if you like this video, you can give it a like, and also you can subscribe to my channel and click the bell button so you get notified every single time I upload a brand new video. So see you guys next time. Bye.